Hi guys, this is Katov. We are 17 years professional manufacturer of PTZ video conferencing camera in China. We support both OEM and ODM service. Now we are so happy to be here on 2020 ISE Netherlands. We show many of our newest solutions here, include our PTZ camera, PTZ joystick controller, and now we would like to share our newest advanced NDR camera. Yes, this one. This is our KT-HD91AL camera. It's Full HD 1080p video resolution, and it can be 5 times, 12 times, and 20 times optic zoom for option. And now we would like to show you the video port. Yes, here you can see it has HDMI, SDI, USB, and IP. Since this camera also supports PoE, so with this one internet cable, you can power, control, and video. It's so amazing. And now we would like to help you test our camera. Yeah. As you can see, it works very smoothly. Can cover almost every color in the room. Yes. It's pan 330 degrees. Yeah. So if you have any project need our support, welcome to contact us, Katov. Our website is katovvid.com. Remember us, Katov. Thank you.